Morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It is May 12th. Today is the day that we are going to Zoom with Mr. Ortman from the middle school at 2 o'clock, and he's going to be there to kind of give you some information about getting ready to go to the middle school next year and also answer any questions that you're going to have. I am going to record the Zoom, so if you can't make it or if your parents want to look at it, you'll be able to show them on Google Classroom, and I'm going to see if I can send it through Remind, but I'm not sure how big it's going to be. Before that, though, we have a math lesson today. Last week, I wasn't feeling very confident that we were 100% understanding the lessons. They were pretty much the same lesson, just two different ways of solving the problem. Before we move on, I want to give it one last go, and I have recorded a quick review lesson showing you the two most common ways that everybody was choosing to solve the problems, partial products and using improper fractions. And I've given us a Google form to show what you know, okay? Last week, I don't know whether it was because we were using the Google Slides to show our work or what, but I didn't get a lot of feedback. So I'm not comfortable moving on until I kind of get a better read on where we're at with the whole lesson. So please give it your best shot, okay? When you use the Google form, it is not going to grade it for you, okay? So please do not panic. I have to look at every single one individually. Please show all of your steps when you're solving the problem. So remember, it's multiplying mixed numbers. So I want to see the step where you multiply your two whole numbers. I want to see the steps where you multiply your two fractions. I want to see the step when you multiply your whole number from the first part of the problem by your fraction in the second part of the problem. And I want to see the step where you multiply the whole number from the second part of your problem times the fraction in the first part of your problem, and then add them all up. Okay, if you're using that method. If you're using the improper fraction method, I want to see what you've turned how you've turned the mixed numbers into improper fractions. I want to see what your multiplication looked like, and then I want to see how you changed it back into a mixed number at the end. Okay, so if you need more review, go back into the videos from last week. Those videos are always in Google Classroom. You can always access them. I'm not going to take them down. You can look at them as many times as you need to help. Okay, and those ones are a little bit longer. Today's was pretty quick. I did not assign a new writing assignment today. I need you to finish the writing assignment from yesterday on personification. Okay, you'll get a new writing assignment tomorrow, kind of like we did last week, where I'm going to give you a couple of days to finish it, because they're just, not that they're that long, but they're a little bit longer than they were before. Okay, so 2 o'clock with Mr. Ortman. If you can be there, if not, I'll record it. Okay, math for my math friends. Okay, and then finish your writing for everybody. All right. If you talk to any of your friends on games or texting or whatever, remind them about the 2 o'clock with Mr. Ortman. Okay, I'm going to send out a reminder to parents too. All right. Bye, guys.